Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mini crème brûlée. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 4 large egg yolks, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to perfectly balance the flavors. Make sure you have 4 2-ounce ramekins prepared and ready for the next steps. This simple list sets the foundation for a delightful dessert. Now let's create that silky smooth custard base. First, whisk your egg yolks with half of the granulated sugar until they become a lovely pale yellow and slightly thick. In a separate saucepan, gently heat the heavy cream with the remaining sugar and salt until it just begins to simmer. Carefully and slowly, pour the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs. Finally, stir in the vanilla extract for that signature aroma and taste. This careful process ensures a perfect texture. With our custard ready, it's time for baking. Carefully pour the mixture evenly into your 4 2-ounce ramekins. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish, then fill the dish with hot water, reaching about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake this in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until the edges are set but the centers still jiggle slightly. Once cooled, chill them in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours to firm up beautifully. The final and most exciting step is creating that iconic crackly topping. Take your chilled crème brûlée and sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the surface of each. Now, with a kitchen torch, carefully caramelize the sugar until it turns a beautiful golden brown and bubbles. Let this caramelized sugar cool for a few minutes. It will harden into a delightful, crisp shell. Serve your exquisite mini crème brûlée immediately and savor every spoonful of this classic dessert. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.